Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're anything like me, the end of January, 1st of February starts getting a little depressing and I'm tired of winter. So there's one thing more than anything that helps me get through those last 6, 7 weeks of winter, and it is having a greenhouse, getting my seeds planted. It just gives me a little oomph. It feels like spring. It's warmer in there. So many great pluses to having this little greenhouse. So this one is by SUNGIFT, and it is so nice. It is really easy to put together. Just follow step by step and it'll be up within an hour. There really is nothing better than being inside my greenhouse in February, labeling plants, playing in the dirt, planting seeds, with the hope of all these little sprouts emerging in just a couple weeks. So exciting, really good for your mental health, and such a fun experience. So here we are inside. There are tons of cool features. So there is ties here so you can roll the door up and then tie it up so you can walk in and out easily. There is a vent on either side, so when it starts getting too hot, you can open the vents. My favorite feature about this greenhouse, I've had others, and this is the first one who has had these. So these are little clips that hold the shelves in place. I have never had these, and so the shelves are always like crazy and fall off. No more. Just makes this day a little better to be outside, digging in a little dirt. Just brings a little joy to my life. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, having this greenhouse helps you get your plants started a little sooner, and it helps you get through the winter. So go ahead and get it and enjoy the warmth and sunshine of your own greenhouse. And that's my point of view.